You guys, we are making a really easy but fun and tasty springy recipe by Miss Giada. It is her lemon spaghetti. It is so easy. As Gina likes to say, it's
easy peasy,
lemon squeezy.
1, 2, 3, 4. So for me, this recipe sounded so easy. Would it be worth making? It's like lemon pasta. What's the big deal? But it was raved as like her #1 dish ordered from her restaurant in Las Vegas. Her restaurant, I think it's called Giada. #1. So we're a little curious as to, okay, how good could this be?
Let's go on to our sauce. It is very easy because first, we don't have to cook anything. That is right up our alley. It's just mixing everything, and then the hot pasta is gonna melt our cheese and just become this really delicious dish. And you can actually make it with some protein. I actually have some shrimp that are already pre-cooked, and I'm gonna toss that in with my pasta. Giada announced that she's leaving the Food Network, and she is headed off to Netflix, right? And I don't know if you guys saw too, but she had like a kind of viral recipe not too long ago, and it was like, what was it called, Gina? Like sheet pan lasagna?
Yes.
Yeah, so we were thinking about that, but it was like, it's just lasagna.
On a sheet. So we're not making that today.
So we will need a lot of olive oil, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper.
All the salt and all the pepper? Like, it's not divided for later, right? I ask because I've made that mistake with other recipes where you were not supposed to dump the whole thing in there, so.
Remember when you left the sugar out of your cake?
That has nothing to do with what I'm talking about right now.
This is such an easy sauce. That's it. No cooking, just mixing. And we're gonna mix it all together. And then when our pasta is done, we're gonna toss it all up. Question, did you remember your pasta water?
Yes, I have my mug right here. Only way I'll remember is I put a mug next to the pot, and when I see the mug, that reminds me that I need to take some out before I dump the whole thing.
Add our spaghetti into our lemon sauce.
Okay. Ooh, I don't think I made enough pasta. I was like, really? Oh no, it's gonna be really lemony. Good thing I love lemon. Ready. Ready? Ready, set,
Ready.
go.
This is good.
Mine is extra lemony, I think, because I didn't make a lot of pasta. But the minute I tasted it, I could taste the lemon instantly. And it has a nice, bright flavor. And I think it's a good way to kick off the warmer weather we're hopefully going to get soon.
This is good. I thought it was going to be like tart face and being like, no. And this is so good.
Lemon and basil parmesan go very well together. No surprise.
I know, but I think the key, and she said this, I saw a video of her preparing it, and she said the secret is to make sure you add the pasta water because it has to creamify everything together. In other words, I'm making up.
This is good. With like a side of asparagus with that and a fish. That's really good. I'm so glad we made it. I'm so glad it's easy.
If you can't get reservations at Giada in Las Vegas, make it yourself. It is so easy, as you saw. You can't mess it up, and you can tweak it any way you want. Like, I want it to be a little more lemony. I'm gonna add more zest.
Thanks for watching. We had so much fun making this. We hope that you enjoyed watching and that you'll make it at your house too. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We look forward to seeing you next week. Bye. All right, let's go.